Hello YouTube, this is Vacuumatic today, and today we've got a very special video really. We've been after, well, we're actually going to show you what we got in this box first before we get on with the proper video. Something that Carl currently uses, one of mine.
It's inside another box! Inside a box!
Just pass the parcel.
They pass the parcel!
Boot that out of the way.
And I can use both boxes.
Well yeah, it's very heavy in it, mate. That is a very heavy item, isn't it?
Yeah.
How heavy do you think it is? It's almost about as heavy as a sack of potatoes, isn't it?
Yeah. No. Yeah, that's what round wise. Sack of potatoes.
Yeah, it's quite heavy in here. But it's something that really, well, we actually needed to get one actually, because this is actually going to run one of the vacuums that Cole's had for quite a while and has not been able to be able to use.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do first is...
I'm able to do a video of it.
So this one, I was looking out around Christmas time. I do use a lot of a US Christmas lights and stuff.
This is very big.
So he currently uses the one I use for to power on my Christmas lights. So this one was popped up on eBay fairly cheap. Be gentle with it, mate, because there's a transformer in there.
I know, and it's made out of metal, that's why it's not going to bust.
Now, since the
Even got bad fuses.
so it's got, these are slow blow fuses, so that's good. Saves us having a fire. This is a 2000 watt UK, don't pull it out, UK to US converter.
No, look, it's got a nose.
Yeah.
A nose.
I'm going to show you what this is. Basically means I can use, or we can use, stuff that is purchased from the US or from Japan
I
or
told him.
places like that.
And what kind of washers is those?
So firstly, because I've got a few of these already at home for my Christmas
and
decorations.
how many washers I need in those?
You need to have it on the 240. That is the input selector, so make sure it's on that, because if you put it on that, you'll blow it.
And what's 230?
No, it'll be 240.
Where it is?
110 is US,
Yeah.
I think. And I know that that's a UK, and a lot of Europe use 240 volts, but they use a slightly different plug.
And what will you have to plug in to power the Hoover?
It's got to be the top one.
This one?
Got to be the top one. Never touch that. There was another one with a little slider on the back, but this one, I just sort of looked a bit better.
Look, it's sold in this. It's even got USB.
So,
This sink on one of those electric boxes got that too.
so it's actually got like an electric box, circuit breaker on it.
In there.
It also comes with a USB 5 volt, so if you want to charge, obviously something you don't need to use, because people buy these really to, like you say,
The power kitchen lights and stuff.
or somebody who was maybe emigrated to the UK
Yeah,
and didn't want to get rid of some of their items, they could use this. But since the 1st of September rule of the vacuum cleaners, these have been fairly hard to get hold of actually. I think there's been a lot of people thinking, oh, I'm going to buy one from there now. So this one here, I'm going to show them here.
I want to get the vacuum down.
Carl's going to go get the vacuum down.
It's heavy.
Alright, well this is the one we'll be plugging it into.
What the other one is?
That's 240 volts.
That's okay.
This is a step up,
That's
step
a
down
new K.
transformer.
That's new K.
And it's up to 2000 watts.
And this is new K one.
Yeah, you don't use that one, you only use that one.
And that's new K.
Yeah, that's 220, that's 220 volts. That's for, I'm not too sure what country, so we'll just cut the video and we'll get the Hoover now. This is the day, when we got the Hoover 700, which was a US machine, we were also given this one. This is a Hoover Spirit, very much like what I would say in the UK, like the compact cylinder machine. This is what they would call a canister
It's
machine
not heavy.
in the US.
Why is it not heavy?
Because it also has,
Why is it not heavy?
Cole has been dying to use this one. This is got the Hoover Quadraflex Powermatic brushed edge cleaning.
I don't know. And why
power head.
Why is it heavy?
Yeah, because it's not. Because you got a little motor on it, mate.
How?
This one. Get it right way up. Oop.
There, that's why. Just keep it up.
All right.
Second dumb.
This one is a S3261.
And now the shields are short.
All right. It has 9.1 amps. Now you got to do that. You've got to work out the wattage. Now to work the wattage out, you times the amps by the volts of the machine. So this one runs probably around about 1100. It says 120 volts there, which is still alright. Because so what we're going to do now is we're actually going to plug this one in and see if it runs.
It seems like it's not heavy.
No.
This second power head's not showing.
All right.
Showing down.
So this one, looking at the poles on it, I would say it's probably a 70s stroke 80s machine, because it still has got the metal poles like you would have on the juniors from the 70s, because the two poles.
And there's pockets in popping there.
Yeah. And what's that transformer?
Well, it's metal, that's why it's not going to bake.
Yeah, but still got a transformer in it.
And I'm not going to say in the second room, and it's no
Alright.
voltage.
Stop the swearing, mate.
It's no voltage.
Right, here we go. We'll turn this one on. We actually had this one running on a 300 watts one, and it blew the fuse in it, so this should quite easily.
Turn it on. That sounds nice.
So there we have. This is a US Hoover Spirit. With a Hoover Quadraflex Powermatic head. The US ones, like with the celebrities and all the other ones, most of them had
beat pugs nice enough too.
Had power heads. So we're just.
What was that
I don't know. It also comes with a hard floor
The
toe.
motor.
Sounds like right, just switch it off and put the power lead in.
What did that sound?
It sounds a bit like a Constellation, doesn't it?
No, it sounds like when it was UK Hoover wet inside one.
Right, now Carl actually had a Hoover Compact, which was a French-made machine for the UK, and that blew up. Wow, mate, it's lovely enough. Well,
How quiet it is. Yeah,
this also has a bag check indicator, so we'll now turn this one off and we'll show you guys, because obviously I'm not going to be unplugging it. So yeah, so he's had this room for about 18 months, sat in his bedroom, not be able to use it. Oh, I need my circuit breaker back, or I need my transformer back.
Right, and that one powers up.
It's also,
one.
Gary also gave us, at the time, I think he gave us 3 packs of bags. So we're never ever going to be.
Yeah.
So,
There's a shorter.
yeah, so in there it tells you what bags to put in it. It even tells you on the label what bags to put on it. This here can handle up to 1300 watts. Now what Carl is hoping to do now, really, there are a few exotic Dysons he would love to have in the collection. Some of the Japanese ones, or some of the US ones.
I really want.
Because he's been looking at that upright in the muscle wearing on, ain't you?
What one?
Was it the DC 27?
Yeah.
Or 28?
The Japanese makes a Dyson. It's got a V2 motor in it, and it's got the DC2 head. Japanese.
They do a ball fluffy, don't they?
Yeah.
So we can hopefully.
I want to get another America cleaner.
So maybe every so often, hopefully if we, because what you got to remember when you order from the other countries, you got to pay import tax as well, and it gets expensive. I mean, from my inflatables to my garden,
You've got this
I'll pay £30–40 import tax. Yeah. So there's your first look at this one.
And that's what vacuums is going to sound.
Yeah, they got a 59 down there now, but don't worry about that.
59.
So that's the first look at this one. We will do a proper dirt test, because I'm going to tell you what, that Quadraflex Powermatic, they also do one with a headlight in the US as well.
And that head sounds powerful.
Like I say, personally, I think the US machines are a lot better, because, you know, at the end of the day, Hoover primarily come from the US.
I really want a new S, you know, that Hoover, you know what that Hoover's do. I wanted that one, the one with the neck to head, the one with the wheels on it.
Yeah, they got all sorts over there. So yeah, this is the second US machine he's got in the collection. We've now got this 2000 watt transformer, so the world is the oyster now for us. So hopefully, maybe once a year or so, we'll start looking out for some US machines, but it's only going to be very selective machines, really.
Maybe.
So what do you say now, Kyle?
Maybe make a big upweight.
Well, yeah, but it's the weight of them, mate. They only ship a certain amount. eBay's made it easier now to buy foreign stuff now, because
Oops.
basically what you do now is you send it directly to an address and they deal with it all. So like where the port is. So
I just sound this out.
So yeah, so that's the first time he's actually used this one.
Look. They've got such a bell right there.
They haven't they? So what do you say now, Kyle?
I don't know.
And he's obviously going to be using this one quite thoroughly now, because it's been sat in his bedroom waiting to be used. And with this one, it's going to obviously, you know, he can plug the 700 in there, because technically this is going to be the one for the vacuums now, and not because obviously Christmas is coming up, and
What kind of filter can plug the 700 in?
oh, they can go in there as well.
And what kind of voltage on it put?
No, you don't touch that.
That one?
No, because you'll blow that.
What kind of voltage?
You'll blow it, because that's the input voltage. So obviously I'll be checking to make sure it's got the right input voltage before he uses it. So bye for now, and please subscribe to the Vacuum Man.
I know where these go.